everyone, I'm Edyta Sitar from Laundry Basket Quilts. Welcome to Quilting Window. I hope you're staying healthy out there and taking care of each other. I am so proud of you. You have been making such a good progress on your mystery blocks, posting pictures. I'm super excited for you to see how everything is coming together. Today, I have one special block for you. We're only gonna make 4 of block 10. And I know you already know how to do it because guess what? It's a 4-patch again. We did a little practice. This one is a little bit different than the first one we've done it, but I'm pretty sure you can do it. So let's do it together. We're going to cut fabrics. We're gonna start by cutting our blues, and we need 3 squares that are 2 inch by 2 inch in the same blue. Then I would like you to cut 3 more blue squares, but each of them a little bit different blue, from light, medium to dark. 2 inch by 2, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Then we're gonna cut light fabric, and those are 2 inch by 2 inch, 2 inch by 2 inch, 2 little squares, and rectangle 3.5 by 2 inch. We need 4 of them for each side of our blocks. We're gonna start by making the center, and the center is going to be this little 4-patch. We're gonna place light fabric together with the dark one, and we're going to place the dark with the light. We're gonna sew it with a 1/4 inch seam allowance starting from the top, and as soon as you finish sewing the 2 squares together, it's gonna look like this. You're gonna push your seam allowance towards the blue, just like this. Then you're gonna go ahead, place this right sides together. Oh, it nests so nice. I hope you had a wonderful morning. Grab a cup of coffee and come right to me to quilt with me. I'm so excited. And you're reusing all your nice scraps and leftovers, or maybe you're working with our Super Broom collections. The girls that got a lot of fabrics, they're good to go. But if you didn't get the fabrics and you just need a little bit to have a little accent, we do have a layer cakes and charm packs. You can work with those, and we talked about it. From those fabrics you can pull from your own stash. So look at this. This is the stash, and I pull it from it using these fabrics as my color guides how to pull it. If you're just joining us in, please watch our first video with the first block, and I explain in the first with the first block how I pull up fabric, and sometimes use a charm pack, layer cake, Fat 8 bundle to have some guiding light, you know what colors to pull. It's so much easier to have a little swatches and pull with those from your own stash. But now let's get back to our 4-patch. So right there, I'm gonna pin it, sew it with a 1/4 inch seam allowance, and as soon as I finish, I'm gonna go ahead and open it up just like this. Open it up. So I have my center square done. Then I'm gonna go ahead and remember, we're gonna add this one, and this one. Right there we have 4 light rectangles. Then we're gonna go ahead and place our blue squares on each corner. And you know, I always lay up my blocks front of me, especially blocks that have pieces cut from fabrics that have directions. I want to make sure that all the directions of those strips go in the same way. We're gonna rotate this block in a quilt, but inside the block I wanted to make sure that everything is going the same direction. I like to do that. So now I have all laid up in front of me. I'm gonna go ahead, sew this to this, this to this, putting right sides together, this to this, this to this, and add those on each side of my 4-patch. I have one ready, set, go for you. I was so excited and sewed it all up before we even started. I'm so looking forward to this block, and we only have to make 4 of those, so it's really easy and fun. So look at it. I'm gonna flip it to the back so you see I push my seam allowance towards the light, and I push my seam allowance towards the light here. Why did I do that? Because first of all, this, I didn't want to fight those seams right here and create extra bulk. So I push towards the light, and now I have to push it towards the light here, so they're in the opposite direction. So I can go ahead and beautifully pin, pin, sew it, and then do the same here. Pin, pin, sew it, and in no time I'm gonna have a beautiful block just like this. This seam allowance, I'm also gonna push it towards the center, and I have a beautiful block. Grab my rotary and a ruler. Where is my little square ruler? Oh, it's hiding right here. Look at this. I better do some housekeeping on this table so I can find things. Go ahead, place your ruler right over, grab your rotary, trim it to make sure that your block is 6.5 by 6.5 unfinished, and you need to make 4 block 10 for your quilt. Block 10, we need 4 of them. I am so happy for you. You're moving along with this quilt. Guess what? Not much left. We just have 5 more blocks to do it, and we're gonna have the most beautiful quilt. I am so thankful you took the time to quilt with me. Please, please hashtag your pictures. Mystery Quilt 100. Visit our website, leave us comment. If we can help with anything, just let us know. And I look forward to tomorrow and another mystery block. Happy quilting!